Hello, and welcome to the Master Dynamic product tutorial for the MW65 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Over-Ear Headphones. These wireless headphones are our most technically sophisticated headphones yet, and feature two modes of active noise cancelling technology that do not compromise our signature rich, warm, and expansive sound quality from custom 40mm Beryllium drivers. The MW65s are made of the finest premium materials, including heavy grain leathers and lightweight anodized aluminum, and come in several colors. Also included are a headphone pouch, USB-C quick charge cable, standard 3.5mm cable, USB adapter, and flight adapter. The MW65s are made of heavy grain leathers, while anodized aluminum keeps the headphones ultra-light at only 250 grams to ensure extra comfort during extended listening times. The stainless steel arms are adjustable to find optimal fit. Additionally, the ear cups rotate for comfort around the neck. To turn your headphones on, slide up the on switch located on the side of the left ear cup near the battery level indicator. The battery status lights will come on. Green means fully charged, amber shows medium, and red is low. To pair your headphones, hold the on switch up for 2 seconds or more. When the white light starts to pulse, the headphones are in pairing mode and you can release the switch. You can connect through the Bluetooth menu on your source device by selecting M&D MW65. A solid light indicates you are connected. The MW65s have the ability to pair to 2 or more devices. After you connect to device 1, enter pairing mode again and the device will disconnect. Connect to a second device and turn the headphones off by sliding the switch down. Turn the headphones back on and they will automatically connect to both devices simultaneously. Pause one device and play from the other to swap the headphones connection. The volume controls are located on the right ear cup, with the multifunction button in between. Pressing once will play and pause. Press twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. This button can also be used to answer and end phone calls. The MW65 features 3 active noise cancelling settings: high, low, off, for clear, expansive sound in any environment. The ANC button is located on the front of the left ear cup. Pressing once will activate ANC high, which is best for use on airplanes and city streets. A voice prompt indicates the ANC setting. Press the button again and the ANC switches to low, which cancels out lower noise and wind. Press the button once more to turn off the ANC feature. Get help on the go from your Google Assistant. Your MW65 is optimized for the Google Assistant out of the box. For Android devices, you'll get a notification to begin the setup process after you connect your MW65 via Bluetooth. To use the Google Assistant for iOS devices, make sure your MW65 is connected to your iOS device. Download and open the Google Assistant app, tap the icon, and follow the on-screen instructions. Now that the Google Assistant is set up, you can use the multifunction and both volume buttons on the right ear cup for commands. One long press of the multifunction button will turn on the Google Assistant. Press and hold volume up to receive your Google Assistant notifications, and one long press of volume down will stop the Google Assistant. To use your device's native voice assistant, turn on hands-free mode by holding both the ANC and the multifunction buttons for 5 seconds. Repeat to switch back to Google Assistant mode. You will hear the voice prompts when switching between modes. A long press of the multifunction button will activate your device's native voice assistant. The MW65 is equipped with a USB-C charging port. To charge, plug the USB connector and connect to a USB port. A solid orange light indicates charging, and the light will turn solid green once fully charged. The headphones charge to 50% in 15 minutes and to 100% in 40 minutes. When fully charged, the MW65 holds up to 24 hours of listening time. When you need to replace your ear pads, remove by gently pulling from the top, and the snaps will release. To reattach the ear pad, hook the 2 catches into the slots at the bottom of the ear cup. Gently push the ear pad against the ear cup, ensuring all of the snaps are secured. Clean earpads and headphones with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Do not soak, submerge, or allow moisture to enter near the drivers or cable jacks. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoy your MW65 active noise cancelling wireless over-ear headphones.